In this short video, I'm going to explain to you about the PT Answer Short question, and I'll give you some quick tips on how to do well with this item type. Answer Short question occurs in the writing and speaking section of the exam, but it contributes to your listening and speaking scores. In Answer Short question, you hear a general everyday question, and then you are required to give a short answer. And often the short answer might only need to be one word. So one example might be, in what country are the famous pyramids? And the answer would be Egypt. Or in another question, in what room of a house do people wash their clothes? And the answer, of course, would be the laundry. But the computer might also detect and accept some similar words, like bathroom, because some people wash their clothes in the bathroom, for example. But stay with the safest option. And it's okay whether you say laundry or the laundry, for example, or even the washroom. Just make sure that it's relevant. The question will only go for 4 or 5 seconds, and then there will be a 5-second pause, and then it's your turn to speak. Make sure you start speaking within 3 seconds, because otherwise, once the microphone starts, if there is just silence for 3 seconds, then the computer will think you've given up or fallen asleep, and it will move on to the next question, so you won't get any points for it. Answer short question may occur 10 to 12 times in the exam, and it contributes exclusively to your vocabulary score in the enabling skills. So it's all just common knowledge kind of questions, so nothing to be worried about. They're not going to ask you anything particularly academic, but it's testing your vocabulary to see if you can give the right word in your answer. That means that you need to pronounce the word correctly, because even if you know the word in your head, if you don't pronounce it correctly, then how can the computer give you a score for vocabulary in the enabling skills? So my key tip is to focus on pronunciation, because the actual answers will come to you quite naturally because they're just everyday questions. So to score well with vocabulary, pay careful attention to your pronunciation. Thanks.